Hi, welcome to my channel. And today we came to the Indian Wild Ass Sanctuary. Is also popularly known as a Little Rann of Kutch. In Gujarat, there was a two kind of run. One is a larger in size, that known as a Greater Rann of Kutch, that seen in a Kutch on the northern part of the Kutch. And this one is a Little Rann of Kutch. Actually, is a part of the Kutch, but it's surrounded by many districts. So we are taking entry from the Little Run of Kutch from the Surendranagar Bazaar, and is a vast area around 3,600 kilometer, and here you only find the Indian wild ass, the popularly in Gujarat known as a good khar. So let's see what we find in this sanctuary. As we entered the vast expanse of the run, the first sighting that greeted us was a majestic marsh harrier perched elegantly on the trunk of the cut tree, bathed in a golden morning light. It was a breathtaking sighting to begin our journey. Entering from the Bajana, we encountered a beautiful wetland on right side. This area was teeming with bird life. We observed a painted stork busy in foraging, a northern swallow actively shoveling in the water, a pied avocet using his unique upturned bill to forage, a Dalmatian pelican gracefully preening. Eurasian spoonbill altering between the preening and feeding. Black-tailed godwit diligently foraging. A flock of the lesser flamingo adding a splash of the pink to the landscape. A pied kingfisher searching for the fish. Moving ahead, we come across a small waterhole where birds were arriving one by one to drink water. First, a Siberian Stonechat arrived, then come the Eurasian Wryneck. Soon after, three bluethroats hopped in, their bright throat patches standing out as they took turns drinking and flittering around the waterhole. A white-eared bulbul then made its way to the waterhole. Finally, a greater Lark, an AC-crowned sparrowlark with the house sparrow arrived, both active on the ground, taking quick swift before flying off. Continuing toward the Tundi Tower area, a stunning Pallid Harrier male was preening right beside the road. As we reached the Tundi camp, these campsites are used for the training of the school students. We noticed an Eurasian sparrowhawk sitting nearby, scanning the surrounding. Near the camp, we finally spotted the iconic Indian wild ass, the species after which the sanctuary is named. Returning to the wetland, we found another marsh harrier perched on a small mound created by the forest department during the monsoon to provide the shelter for the animal. More northern shovelers were seen feeding in the water. To our delight, we come across three immature eagles glowing in a golden light, engaging in a territorial display. You can identify this immature imperial eagle by their typical plumage. Greater Flamingo was also busy in preening. On our way back, we had a special moment spotting three Sykes nightjars perfectly camouflaged against the ground. At first, we couldn't see them at all, but thanks to our expert naturalist, we finally managed to spot them. We also saw a group of chestnut belly sandgrouse on the ground. As we neared the exit, we made one last stop at the wetland and observed a greater spotted eagle, common cranes, and few other birds, making for a perfect ending to an incredible birding journey. We have finished our second trip of the Little Rann of Kutch. A previous visit link you can see here. When we have visited first time, we went to the Vachraj Bait where we have find the Pallid scoop owl, McQueen bustard, and that. A two-day trip, we went to the Bajana range, is known as a Tundi Tower area, where you have a wetlands, and in the wetlands you can find waders, water birds, and also raptors, eagles, and sparrowhawk, and etc. etc. And we have thoroughly enjoyed today's trip. If you like my video, give thumbs up, do comment it, and share with your friends to see the regular updates about the wildlife video. Subscribe to my channel. Till then, connected to the nature.